Hey guys, I hope you can hear me right now. I just wanted to jump on really quick and talk a little bit more about a post that I put on Instagram yesterday. It was the comparison between brown rice and white rice. So I just wanted to reach out because I actually had a lot of messages that were like, oh my God, I totally thought the brown rice or whole grain was supposed to be healthier. And in some aspects that can be true, but it's mostly due to marketing is why people think that. A lot of marketers have marketed, this whole grain to be healthier than this bleached grain. And when it comes down to it, there may be very, very small factors that are better for your digestive health or that kind of thing. But even now, whole grain is coming out to say that that additional husk on that whole grain is actually harder for your body to digest. So whenever we look into things like this, it's mostly going to pertain to your goals. So make sure that whenever you're eating for your personal goals. So, things such as, eating apples to bananas. It's really such a small difference that it doesn't really matter, and you can make those whole grains fit your goals. You can make those white rices fit your goals. It just depends on how much you're eating and how much you're going to allow yourself to have. So you can look at things like portion control, measuring out your food instead of just eating whatever is in front of your eyes, because if you're anything like me, it's easy to eat more than you should because your eyes are bigger than your stomach. Things like that. But whenever you're eating, if you're eating towards your goals, that means picking things that are going to be more conducive to your goals. So for instance, the white rice had less calories. So if you're trying to cut or diet or that kind of thing, you would be able to eat more of the white rice for less calories or equal calories as the brown rice. So maybe that's a better option for you. Or maybe you're trying to gain weight, but you have the appetite of a rhinoceros. Like, maybe that means that you could still eat the white rice, but you're just going to eat a lot more of it, But if you have a smaller appetite and, you are trying to gain, the whole grain might be better for you. So there's a lot of different variations that you can use, but please just know, look at the nutrition label, pertain it to your goals. If you don't have a goal, get one. If you don't know how many calories you're supposed to have, figure it out. I can help with that too. And just kind of make sure that you're on track for what you're supposed to be eating. That way, whenever things are marketed or, you're not reading a nutrition label on your own, you can still be educated. So I hope that helps a little bit. Just wanted to make a short video on it. Don't eliminate things from your diet just because other people said you should. Look into it a little bit more. Bye guys.